Hi. In this example, we will go through an example of curve fitting. This model explains the comparison of a plant model with an unknown parameter with the actual real response of the plant. So let me start simulation. So here you can see the blue one is little noisy, but this is the actual real plant response. Whereas the simulation response of the plant model is giving the green line output, which is not closely following the plant response. So in this case, the plant may have multiple parameters. In this case, it is having k, omega and zeta, or at least omega and zeta, which are two variables on which the plant response is dependent on. So this is my input file data which has been provided to the plant, and this is how the model should respond. But there is a good difference in both responses, the model response and the actual plant response. So the question comes up that how I can make it fit, how I can make a green line fitting following to the real plant response. So the thing is, you have to open the plant model and change the omega or zeta values. I make it 1 and runs the simulation again, but you see that it's far away. Now I go back to model and again I make the zeta as 4. So it is still not following. So probably I have to make an n number of permutation combinations which will fit and follow the real plant response, but that will take a lot of efforts and time. Instead of that, I can make use of a 20sim facility and quickly do this job. So in 20sim, you have multiple run option which you can open, and you can ask him to do the curve fitting. So click next. You can select the curve fitting algorithm. So there are a few of them available. Click next. So you can add the parameters, like I add the model omega and zeta. I can give him the range of the values from where these values should be switched. So I say make it 0.1 200, and same for zeta 0.12, maybe 10. Yep. So these are the range of the values where I want to vary these two parameters. And what I want to compare the model response. I select the model response plot and the plant response. So these are single monitors, and I ask him to do integral absolute value of it and find the minimum value of this function. I ask him to redraw after every run. Click next, fit. Now instead of the play button, I do this multiple run simulation. So you can see that there are few simulations which are run. So 20sim tries to apply a different combination of these two values and try to fit the model response with the actual plant response, and in few attempts he's able to do that. So he says that in the 44th attempt I found the minimum value of the result. So I ask him to set the values. So I just click this button, and now I just reset and play again. So you can see the green line is very closely following the plant response. Maybe I just double click on this plot windows. I increase the thickness of the plant response. No, I will do for the model response, green one. Okay. So there you can see the green line is very closely following the plant response. So this is how you can make use of curve fitting algorithm to quickly find the values in which your model will work properly. Thank you very much.